So what we've got here is we've got a window air conditioning unit. Now, of course, it's taken out of its case and it's been modified in a bunch of different ways, so it makes it a really good display. And it's got tags on it because we use these tags to identify components, and we might do some of that later on. But what I want to show you is how, regardless of whether it's a window unit or a central unit or whatever it is, it all does the same thing and it all has the same components. So we're going to go ahead and turn this one on and we'll talk about it just a little bit. So when I flip the switch and we fire it up, our compressor turns on. Here's our compressor right here. We've got fans for both of our coils. So just count the components. We've got a compressor, we've got a coil and a coil, 2 fans, that's 5 components, and a metering device. In this case, the metering device happens to be this tiny piece of copper tubing, which we call a capillary metering device, but it's the same thing, just a very small hole. Now think about this AC unit. I can feel cold air blowing on this side. I can feel hot air blowing out this side. My window would basically be like this. This would be in the window like this. This part would be hanging outside of the house. This part would be inside the room. What would happen is this evaporator coil is going to absorb heat. It's going to take that heat out of the air. It's going to leave that air in that room cooler, right? That's how it's going to cool the room. We're going to take that heat to the condenser coil and we're going to reject that heat outside. That's all that's taking place. Same 6 parts, small, but it gets the same job done, just in a compact unit.